So yeah, guys, I'm Joseph Divine, and I just want to commend 𝗵𝗵𝗂𝗧 for his class that I partook in. Yeah, and class on business plan writing and pitch deck creation. I learned a lot from the class. It was very detailed and straight to the point, self-explanatory. So I actually learned a lot from the class, and aside from the discourse on proposal on business plan writing and pitch deck creation, there were some very exciting bonuses that talked about how to draft a marketing strategy, how to acquire high ticket clients. So it's a class that I would highly recommend for anyone, especially for business owners or anyone looking to know how to create a business plan. So thank you, 𝗵𝗵𝗂𝗧.